What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Chances are you're watching this video because you want to learn how to create bonuses for affiliate products. Maybe you've been doing affiliate marketing out there and you've been seeing other people offering bonuses and you want to learn how to go about properly creating them to increase your sales and increase the money you're making. Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because inside this video, what I'm going to break down are, first off, the different types of bonuses that you can actually offer, what bonuses are, and I'm then going to break down how you can create them yourself or have other people create these bonuses for you. And then last but not least, I'm even going to share with you a resource you can use to literally find thousands and thousands of bonuses that are very niche specific that you can just use to start making even more sales. So before I dive into this though, my friend, if you're new here, you never want to miss out on my latest affiliate marketing training, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest videos. And last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 system to make a full-time income with affiliate marketing, be sure to click that first link below and check that out. But without further ado, my friend, let's dive right in, okay? So first off, why should you offer bonuses? You know, chances are if you're watching this video, maybe you're doing some research on this and you maybe already are thinking, okay, I know I need to offer bonuses. But for the few people that maybe don't realize why it's so powerful, the first reason is it makes you stand out from competition. So, you know, one of the strategies to make money with affiliate marketing is called launch jacking. I've covered some videos on this. I may do another video in the future. That's why it's good to stay subscribed. But this is basically where you find products that haven't yet launched and you're going to want to target those keywords on, Google or YouTube, and then you want to offer bonuses. Now, this allows you to stand out from the competition because often people that know these products are launching will start to go to YouTube and Google, do research, and they're going to look for the person that's offering the best bonuses or the most valuable bonuses, okay? So if you're not offering bonuses or your bonuses aren't that good, people are going to buy from someone else. So this is going to allow you to stand out. It also increases conversions by inducing urgency. Okay, in Robert Cialdini's famous book, Influence, he covers 6 principles of persuasion, one of them being urgency or scarcity. Okay, this is basically where you want to get people to realize that these bonuses are not going to be around forever. So if you offer them for a limited time, or you say only the first 10 people that join are going to get these bonuses or things like that, you're going to have a lot more people decide to get started and decide to buy by using these bonuses as urgency. Okay, and also it prevents refunds. So sometimes people they'll buy a product maybe from you and they may refund, right? Well, if you offer them great bonuses with their purchase, they may love the bonuses and not even necessarily find the original product that good, but because you've offered them these bonuses, it's going to prevent those people from refunding, right? So it's really, really powerful. So what are bonuses anyway? Because you may be researching this and you don't even really understand what a bonus actually is. It's very simple. Okay, basically all a bonus is, it's training related to the main product. Okay, so for example, let's say you're selling a product that teaches people how to run Facebook paid ads. Okay, so what your bonuses, what you want them to be is either training or coaching or something related to that main product. So it could be teaching people how to run retargeting ads. It could be people, teaching people how to prevent their accounts from getting shut down through Facebook ads. Okay, so it's related to that main product. Now, bonuses can be ebooks, they can be videos, they can be audios. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways to deliver the bonus, deliver the training that you're going to give your customers. And you can do it in all different methods. And basically you want to deliver them at the time of purchase. Now there's a couple ways to do this. One of the ways that is really popular that I personally do is I'll say, hey, when you purchase this through my link, email me at this specific email address with your receipt, and then I'll shoot you over the bonuses. Okay, so you want to give them that option that they can actually email you, and you want to make sure that they've actually purchased by seeing a receipt and things like that. Now, what are some ways to get bonuses? Okay, now that we understand why you need bonuses, what are bonuses, how do you actually get them? Okay, So what you want to do is, one of the methods, there's actually 3 main ways to get bonuses, and I'm going to break down each of these ways so you can kind of see which one you prefer. They all work really well. Now, you can ask the product creator for bonuses, okay? So if you go online, you find an affiliate product to promote, chances are, okay, they may actually already have some bonuses with that product, or they may have already created bonuses in the past, and you can actually ask them, for bonuses. You can also create them yourself, okay? So, you can actually create your own bonuses, your own training, and give that away. And last but not least, you can use PLR, which is private label rights products. These products are basically where you pay a fee and then you can sell them. Sometimes you can give them away, okay, as if they're your own, okay? So this is a great way to actually, get bonuses to give people that buy through your link. Now, first off, when you want to ask a product creator for bonuses, you want to understand that they're usually happy to help. Okay, so these people usually, they're happy to help because the reason is they have an interest in helping you. Okay, so their goal as a product creator is to help affiliates sell as many of their products as possible. So if you approach them and say, hey, I'm wondering if you have any bonuses that I can use to make more sales, oftentimes they're going to be very happy because they know this is going to help increase conversions and make them more money down the line. And also you want to ask yourself, when you create bonuses overall, but specifically when you approach these product creators, ask, is anything missing from the product? Okay, you can ask yourself, you can ask the product creator, because what you want to do is realize that a good bonus is filling the gap in what the product maybe dropped the ball on. Okay, so again, maybe it's an Instagram course that you're promoting as an affiliate, but maybe you've gone through the course, maybe you've asked the product creator, is there anything missing? And he says, it doesn't teach people how to build followers. Okay, it teaches people how to get leads and sales, but not how to gain followers. Well, if you create a bonus, or if you find a bonus that helps people build followers, that's going to be a perfect asset, if you will, a perfect bonus to go with that product. You can also create them yourself. One of the ways to do this is to repurpose old content into a product. Maybe you're already blogging online, maybe you're already creating YouTube videos. You can take some of those videos, put it into one video or one ebook, okay, if you're doing articles, and you can actually use that as a product or as a bonus and give to people. So you don't have to necessarily create them from scratch. Okay, if you want to create them yourself, I recommend you block out time. Okay, so you want to set aside maybe an hour that you're going to create this content. And then you want to also use the concept of learn, do, teach. You may think, I don't have anything to teach. Well, chances are if you've gone through a YouTube video, if you've gone through an article, if you've gone through a training course, you've learned things, you've done it, okay, hopefully you apply what you learn, and then you can just teach people what you learned and what you did to get the results, okay? So you want to block out time and you can learn, do, and then teach what you did. Now also you can go to Fiverr.com to get covers made. Okay, these are product covers. So when you want to create your own bonuses, you want to make them look very professional. And what I'm going to actually do in a second is hop on Fiverr and share with you very quickly how you can find people to create incredibly beautiful product covers so that it looks very professional, and you can do this very affordably and really start to do this yourself. All right, my friends, so you can actually go on Fiverr.com and you can search product covers, okay? And you can see all these different people are doing gigs where you can pay, $10, $5. You want to look at the ratings to make sure that, they have a lot of positive feedback. But basically you can do this, okay? And you can go ahead and pay these people, tell them a little bit about what the product you created is about, and they will create a beautiful cover in about a day or so that you can use to offer bonuses. Absolutely incredible. All right, my friend, and the last way you can actually get bonuses is to use PLR products. Okay, now again, these are private label rights products. These are products that basically have already been created and you can purchase them. Now, usually they're very affordable, okay? They're not, usually a lot of money to actually purchase these products and give away as bonuses. It's quick and easy, okay? You don't have to create it yourself. You don't have to approach the product creator. You can just find these PLR products that are, in your niche, okay? If you're in trading, Forex, if you're in dog training, if you're in make money online, you can find PLR products that are related to what the product you're promoting is. And I also want to share with you a powerful resource, my friend, that I personally use a lot and a lot of my peers use. you can use IDPLR.com to literally find thousands of niche specific PLR products to use, okay? And in a second, I'm actually gonna share with you how you can use that site to find endless bonuses that you can start to promote. All right, my friend, I'm on IDPLR.com, and this is a powerful resource. Now, they have a free or a paid plan, okay? I'm gonna include a link below in the description if you wanna check out more information on this actual site. I actually have a paid plan because it's paid for itself many, many times over. And if you want to go to the free, you just go free. Now it is, limited on some of the licenses, and it's actually limited on as far as how many they offer for free. But you can go to free ebooks, free software, free videos, whatever you want to offer, and you can just scroll through, and they have all these different types of things. Chatbot mastery. Okay, so if you're promoting a Facebook ad course, you can offer chatbot marketing mastery as a bonus. Okay, they have all these different bonuses, but you can also go to products and go to videos or software with giveaway rights. Okay, these are the rights where you can actually give this away for free, and they have all these different products. I mean, hundreds of products on this site, and you can search, okay, for different types. If you want to type in Facebook ads, Instagram, they will come up with different types related to what you're doing. So what are your action steps in this video? Well, first off, I recommend get 3 to 4 bonuses ready, okay? Whether you're going out there to promote an affiliate marketing product, whether you're doing launch jacking, whatever the case may be, get 3 to 4 bonuses ready so you're just ready, okay? You already have them done. Get covers designed if needed, okay? So again, if you're creating them yourself, go to Fiverr.com, purchase covers, start to get those going, and you can do that, okay? And then last but not least, smile and watch your sales increase. Again, bonuses are an absolute incredible way to rapidly increase your sales, and I think you're gonna like it. So if you got value in this video, my friend, be sure to like this video. Let me know to make more. If I don't see likes, I'm not gonna know that people actually like this. Comment below also your takeaway. Does this make sense? Do you want me to make more videos like this? And also subscribe for more videos so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step training. And last but not least, if you're watching this and you want to see my #1 affiliate marketing system to make a full-time income, check out the link below, okay? Click that link, put your email in, and you'll get sent to your email inbox in about 5 to 10 minutes and free overview video of my #1 recommended system. So anyway, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.